Mother and her 4 children killed in the community of New Road near Chapleton in Clarendon.
But as you know, it's early days in investigation. We have good leads, so by all indications, it seems to be a domestic matter. Okay.
The person of interest is a relative, you say?
Yes.
The police say the bodies, which were discovered approximately 8:06 a.m. by residents, were found with their throats slashed. The mother has been identified as 34-year-old Kemisha Wright and her 4 children, Kimana Smith, 15 years old, Shamari Smith, 10 years old, Kafana Smith, 5 years old, and 23-month-old Kishon Henry. Wright was reportedly studying to be a nurse. Her mother says she had her final examinations today. Meanwhile, the police have named 23-year-old Rushane Barnett, otherwise called Jet or Nick, as a person of interest in the killing.
We're pursuing who we think may be involved, but there's someone who may be able to help us with the investigation. One Rushane Barnett, OC Jet. He's also of Wilson Run Trelawney or Papine in St. Andrew. He's 23 years old and is a cousin of the deceased. So anyone who can assist us in having and locating him, as I say, at the moment he's a person of interest and we believe he can assist us.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!